So guys, this is Bluetooth intercom delivered by gearbest.com. I have purchased two pair. One is a pair and one is a pair of single piece each. So let's unbox. Voila, here's the box. ये single piece unit है. This is a single piece unit. Two of them, and this is the bill, I guess. So let's see what's inside the package. It's AGS and Vnetphone are the same thing. This is the device. Oh man, this is premium. This feels so premium in your hands. और ये waterproof unit है. I'll test this. अगर सब कुछ अच्छा रहा, so it should work in the rain. What else we get in the package is this is the helmet mount, which you can mount on helmet. This is the earpiece, which you can fit inside your helmet. This is the charging cable, because this supports 3.5 mm charging. To fix this, there are some extra screws, and these are the extra sticky pads you can use inside your helmet. If you have two helmets, you can stick these two in one helmet, and these are already pre-installed with velcros. You can install this in another helmet. So guys, I'll update a video, the on-road test of this machine. Let's see. So this is the unboxing video only. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can see this device working in actual conditions, be it rain, dust, highway, or in the mountains. Don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.